Hey guys, welcome to my video today. Today we're going to talk all about t-shirts. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kathy. I'm an artist and I love to make both creativity focused and business focused videos to help other artists. Okay, on with the t-shirts. So today there's 3 topics I'm going to share a little intel on that I've learned from a year of working with Printful. This is specific to t-shirt printing, not bag printing or art prints or anything like that. This is really just t-shirts. Black ink t-shirts. So here's a phenomenon that I've discovered with Printful t-shirts. Both of these have the exact same file setup, same color space. They're both printed from Adobe Illustrator files, and they're both printed on the exact same t-shirt. It's an Anvil 980. So one of them printed in a matte saturated black on this dark gray heather t-shirt. The other one, the ink printed with a sheen to it, and it's not 100% black looking, even though the file has specified that it is 100% black. But there's like this shine to it, this like satin sheen to it that this one does not have. This one is matte black and the ink is not sitting on the surface as much as it has gone into the fabric. This one, it's like the ink is on the surface. It's also in the fibers, but you can clearly see it on the surface. So during editing, I received a response from Printful about this black ink issue. Hooray! They said the black ink printing issue was a problem on their end and they offered me a refund or replacement. However, they didn't give me any further information about it. I wish that they did, so if it happens in the future, I could more easily explain the problem to them. But they didn't. So for now, I'm just going to chalk it up to it being a one-time thing. But from now on, I'm going to be testing out my black ink teas way more consistently to see if it happens again and if I can get any further details out of them if it does happen. If you have experienced this issue, this black ink issue, please let me know in the comments. Maybe we can gain some valuable intel from each other or from other people who post, because this is still a mystery to me and it might be to Printful too. Color matching versus non-color matching with Printful's color charts. Printful has a color matching chart for tea printing. It looks like this. This is really cool to keep handy whenever you're designing t-shirts, and the RGB numbers, because it prints with RGB ink, is right on here. So you can accurately choose your color as you're designing your shirt, and you can hold the colors against each other to make sure that they go well together. It's kind of tricky to actually find how you can order this t-shirt, so I'm going to show you how right now. So start at your Printful dashboard, and then you go to the new order button, click on that, and then choose the store that you want to place the order from. If you have 2 stores like I do, just choose one of them, hit sample order, and now it brings you to this page where you can choose white t-shirt or black t-shirt. And then you can just go through the motions and order whichever one of these color swatch t-shirts that you would like. It's great to have on hand because it can eliminate any technical color hiccups that you can have with your printing. Of course, if you make a mistake after that, then you know whose fault it is, it's yours. But anyway, it's pretty great. I'm really glad that they have this. And it has totally optimized my own personal color printing process. I have designed some Printful tees without doing the color matching. And primarily that was designs that were created before I started making specific t-shirt designs. It had a lot of colors in it and it was going to be too hard to try and color match for every specific color. So I just kind of threw caution to the wind and tried it, and it has worked out in a few cases. For instance, the one I'm wearing today was not color matched, but it came out really, really great. And I don't see the need to color match this one anymore because I got lucky. Now here's one that is not color matched either, but it came out really good despite this. When I look really closely at it, I can tell that it's not color matched. The colors are made up of lots of tiny dots of other colors to create the desired color. And in non-color matched tees, to my eyes, those dots can sometimes be a little bit bigger than they are in the color matched tees. It's nothing the naked eye would notice if they weren't looking up super close, but it is one telltale sign of a tee that has not been totally color optimized. Here's one that has been color optimized, and look at how smooth that color is. This design is featured in another video about taking your raster art and vectorizing vectorizing it, optimizing it for Printful teas. The link is above and in the description below. Okay, I think this is going to be my favorite part of the video because this is some good intel. I mean, it's all good, but this is really good. What my favorite teas look like after a minimum of 10 washes. Now, this is really cause for celebration. The colors have not worn out. The ink has not cracked or peeled at all. And each of these have been washed probably 15 to 20 times. These two may be my, at this point, the t-shirts that I've gotten from the Printful that I have worn and washed the absolute most. And the color quality is still stunning on them. There's one other one, the unicorn one I'm going to show you in a minute. Here are two more that are very heavily worn. This one is also been washed and worn between 15, 20, maybe even more times. And this one as well, same deal. This one is also black ink, and the black ink, it looks softer and nicer and worn, but really, really worn in a nice way, not in like a throw that t-shirt away way. To give more detail, these first two teas I'm going to show you here are both Anvil 980. This is my favorite everyday tea to wear myself. The dark gray heather Start Today tea is a cotton poly blend 90-10, and the Good Karma one is 100% cotton, and it's in the color Lake. The cotton poly helps the tea to keep its shape and size a little better over time, but then you do risk the fabric getting a little bit pilly. The Good Karma tea has held up really well. The cotton has shrunk a little, and the cotton changes a little bit over many washes and wears like a normal cotton t-shirt does. It gets a little crispy, typical cotton tee behavior. Though I really don't mind that. I kind of like it actually. But look at the ink on these. They look amazing. I never took a video of either of these back when I first got them. And this is how they look today after probably 15 to 20 washes each. These next two teas are Next Level brand 3413 Tri-Blend. And as you can see, they do get pilly after a while. Please know that this is an extreme close-up, and I still wear these on the regular. They look fine on, but everyone's going to have their own limits for how much wear they can stand in a t-shirt. Anyway, these have both been worn and washed pretty excessively for over a year, and they do have a little pilliness, but the printing, weirdly, still perfect. These both have been washed approximately 20 times, if not more. If you're interested in designing t-shirts with Printful and you like this video and my other Printful videos, they're helpful to you and you'd like to help support me, please use the link in my description to sign up. Please and thank you. I hope this Printful show and tell helps you with your Printful tee designing. I've been quite happy with Printful over the year I've been with them. For me, with t-shirts, it's obviously the print quality is super duper important to me. The t-shirt variety and quality is really, really important. And customer support. That's also extremely important. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love making videos for you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you know whenever I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!